To remove the battery from an LED candle is not very easy because of the child safe lock. At the bottom of the candle, you could see a button, and next to it, it says press. And to the left of the circular cap, find the text that says open. With the thumb of your right hand, press your nail into the push tab and press it as hard as you can. For this, you would need a long nail. And then with the thumb of your left hand, position your nail into the tab and then turn it in the anti-clockwise direction while still holding the press tab. And then the cap should turn and come out. And then you need a screwdriver to put under the gap of the battery and then pull it up to remove the battery. It's a CR2450 type battery. And then place in the new battery. Make sure the battery is not sticking out, and then place the cap in a way that the tabs will go into the correct grooves. And then while pressing the cap inward, turn it clockwise. Then you will hear a click sound, which means now it is locked. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.